Hello everyone! So if you want to make a screen record on your Xiaomi 14T Pro, first of all you are to swipe down from the very top of your screen to open up your quick settings panel. Now find your record screen icon, it looks like camera, simply tap on it and you will have this floating menu. Now to start your recording, simply press on this red icon. And now our recording has been started, so do anything. When you are satisfied with your recording, once again press on the shutter icon to stop the recording. So to check out our screen recording, simply open up a gallery, press albums, and you're gonna find your screenshot and screen recordings tab. So here you'll find all of your screen recordings. Now to make this menu disappear, simply press on the cross icon and that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.